So we are going to look at four personality types today: doer, socializer, thinker, and relator. So first, doer. So doer is a person who is direct to the point. So when he is communicating, he will be precise, he will be direct, he will be abrupt. He will not go around the bush. Whatever he wants to say, he will say directly. If he sees benefit in any action, he will do it immediately. So his decisions are quick and instant. He is direct to the point. He is a person, like the name says, doer. He gets into the action immediately. If he feels this action is going to benefit, he will say, okay, let's act on this immediately. So he will talk in action verbs. His focus and objective will be bottom line or in numbers. He is always in the action mode. Whenever he talks, he will be crisp, he will be short. Most of the time, he will be talking about the goals or purpose or objective or numbers. So that may make him seem a little insensitive towards the people. Now the second one is socializer. So socializer is a person who has lot of ideas. So he is talkative. He will talk with animated gestures, expressions, lot of variation in his tone. He is very creative and he will have ideas continuously flowing in his mind. He has great intentions, but rarely would he be committed or focused on one particular idea to make it work. For example, if a painter has a personality socializer, what will he do? Morning he gets up, he sees the sun, and morning sun, rising sun, he would think that it's really very beautiful and I should start painting this scenery. So he will take the canvas, color and start painting. After probably 2-3 hours, something else would catch up his mind and he would give up this painting and start painting something else. By the evening, the sunset would probably catch his eye and he may start thinking, okay, now this looks beautiful, I should paint this relater. Now this is a guy who is warm and friendly and helpful. Whenever he would take a decision or he will talk or he will do something, he is worried about how his actions, his words are going to impact others. He may take help from others most of the time before taking any decision. So he would say, if there is any action, if there is any decision that needs to be taken, he would say, okay, let me talk to my team and take a decision. So he may not take a decision immediately or instantly. So these are the four different personality types. He will talk about people. Relator would talk about people most of the time. He is sensitive to others. He is a person who would avoid conflict, so he would not say anything which he knows would get him into conflict. In fact, he is the one, if there is any conflict in the team, he is the first person who would try to go and resolve it and get the people together. He is the one who is dedicated, who is loyal, he is soft. He may not have ability to say no. He is overburdened with work, which somebody comes and tells him, please do this for me, may find it difficult to say no, and he may say, okay, I will do it, and may get into overcommitment.